Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Christmas ornaments that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Old World Christmas Oyster Ornaments. Personalize your Christmas tree with a variety of hand-painted ornaments from Old World Christmas. In the business of making holidays brighter for the last 40 years, Old World Christmas has an ornament for every occasion. From college sports teams to cute animals and niche ornaments for foodies, you'll be sure to find 1 or 5 perfect ornaments for your most stylish tree yet. As a native New Englander, it's hard to pass up on the mini oyster with included pearl, and I'll probably have to pick up a Syracuse ornament for my favorite cousin. Reviewers love the detail and size of these glass ornaments, and also mention that the quality is top-notch. Moving on at number 4, we have the Everyday is Christmas Shatterproof Balls. Great for rowdy houses with pets, kids, or even just the accident-prone decorator, these shatterproof balls come in a pack of 35, so you'll have more than enough to decorate your entire tree without having to strategically place for bald spots. Reviews mention that these Christmas balls look nicer than expected, especially for the price, but that the included ornament hooks are almost useless. We wouldn't let that deter you from choosing these ornaments though. You can pick up hooks of your own for cheap to combat this issue. Another downside is that the glittery balls tend to shed a lot of glitter, but if you're not worried about vacuuming your tree, then this should be fine. Sturdy when dropped, these shatterproof bulbs are the perfect solution for avoiding holiday messes. At number 3, we have the hanging gnome ornaments. It's hard to resist these handmade Swedish gnomes from Oasis. Besides, why would you want to? Each of the 10 charming gnomes are made of environmentally friendly materials, so you won't have to feel bad about adding them to your cart. 5 inches in length, these are a great addition to any holiday decor and would even look great as an add-on to gifts, and reviewers love the look of them. There's no downside when it comes to taking home 1 or more of these little friends. At number 2, we have the Christmas by Krebs ball ornaments. If you're looking for bright, unconventional bulbs, these are your best bet. With a wide range of colors in a shiny or velvet finish, these ball ornaments are perfect for when red and green decor just won't cut it. Classic in design, these bulbs put a fun twist on holiday decorating, and you can get colors from bright pink to light blue. These Christmas bulbs are made of glass, so you'll want to take care during the decorating process, especially when packing up your holiday decorations. Some reviews do mention that some of the bulbs might arrive broken, but this is a rare issue. In fact, most reviews praise the packaging. And finally at number 1, we have the Itart 129 quart Assorted Ornaments. If you are looking for an all-in-one Christmas ornament solution, then look no further than the Itart Christmas Ornament Set. This set includes a total of 129 pieces, so you know you won't have any bare spots on your tree. And there are plenty of colors to choose from no matter what theme you're going for. Reviews mention that these Christmas tree ornaments are made from durable plastic, which makes them practically unbreakable, so if you're letting your kids do the decorating, you don't have to worry about them breaking glass and making a mess. Included in this holiday ornament set are a tree topper, snowflake ornaments, Christmas balls, pine cones, finial drops, miniature gift boxes, beaded garland, and pretty poinsettias to top it off. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.